Iridium Extreme GPS enables you to navigate and send location-based data from anywhere you are on the surface of the planet. Follow these simple steps to enable and customize your GPS. It is important to note that the default setting for Iridium Extreme GPS is disabled. First, you will need to enable GPS. To do this, go to the main menu, Setup menu, select Location Options, then GPS Options. Under GPS Options, select GPS On/Off, where you will be prompted to enable or disable your Iridium Extreme GPS. Once your GPS is enabled, you can view and share your current location and customize your settings. To view your GPS coordinates, select Location Options from the Setup menu and scroll to highlight Current Locations. To program the frequency with which your GPS information is sent to a recipient, you need to locate Update Options under the GPS Options menu. Here, you will be prompted to select one time, real time, every 5 minutes, or every 10 minutes. Whether in the middle of the ocean or on the top of a mountain peak, you can pinpoint your current location using Iridium Extreme. You are now prepared to send and receive location-based information using your Iridium Extreme everywhere.